FSD Beta is rapidly improving, as the programmers, and AI, continue development. The issues you see highlighted here, are in no way indicative of the system's overall capabilities.
Let's see if they let us all go by. Alright, so let us see. Yes. Alright, had to disengage there. That's kind of a bummer, so I'll send that in. And then having to re-engage.
Here it comes, the road closed sign. Don't think there's any car parked behind, so let's see how the car handles. Okay, should be able to go now. Okay, I'm taking over here. It is not, it was going for the road sign, unfortunately. Don't think it's able to correct itself.
And this is a pretty accurate representation here. You got the line and then the cones. Speed's a little slow here. Okay, it jumped into a turn lane that it should not be in. This is a bad scenario, okay? Okay, it was going the wrong way there. This is, I don't know where it was going. It might have been this road closed it saw. Understandably confused there. I don't know, it was getting ready to take some other loop that the planner didn't have mapped. It might have been that road closed sign.
So I'm gonna just turn this speed down. It's just getting too close to the edge. As you can see, it's trying to make up a yellow line here when there's not one on this road. Let's see if it slows down more for this. It's going off the road. It's doing worse than it did on 9.0. Either too far left or too far right. And so here is good. Right here is good. And then it's too far to the right. No. Yep, too far to the right.
Which did that?
Yeah, surprisingly well.
Yeah, that was one of the best turns it's done.
Too close to the curb for me.
And vision, if it's not held up to a high enough bar, is noisy and contributes sort of error. And the sensor fusion stack just kind of like picks it up too late. And so again, you could fix all that, even though it's a very gross system with a lot of if statements and so on, because the sensor fusion is complicated because the error modes for vision and radar are
No.
What is it doing?
That was what I can't remember. Okay. Yeah, that's really odd. I think so. They're gonna improve the overall awareness of the car. Like you can see the curve right here. This is not very confident. You can see it, can tell where all the roads are in the curves, but it's like the less solid it is, the more faded it is, the less confident the car is. Like it can't even tell there's a curve right here. So by its point of view, it would just go straight, and it's not. It shouldn't do that.
Yeah, it definitely should not go straight.
Exactly. And it's not changing the lines either. See, as they can tell right here, but it's very faint. It just can't see the curve very well. This is gonna be a good test. Last time it didn't stop very well at the stop sign. See how it does this time. Definitely should stop there. So again, not very good. I'm gonna push it through.
So we're taking a bunch of stop signs to get out of the neighborhood. Left turn into a major street, and right turn into a major street, and then four-way stop. My turn. Whoa! That lady jumped. One ass. Okay, I took over there because to the stop sign.
Nope.
Nope. Because it's hidden by trees.
Yep, so that one was a big time failure. Okay. Is this a four-way stop?
Yeah.
I'm having to press accelerate. Nope. Too close to the curb for me.
All right, wait, have at least a bit of, oh, it's not going. So I'm gonna give it a tap. I don't know why it's not going. Okay, we have the blinker on again. Waiting for our turn. It's gonna go. No, yes. Okay, I'm gonna take over here. We're confusing this person right here. All right, not the best. So let's see, let's set up the next destination.
Okay, interesting to see how it handles this turn. Either one of these turns, actually, they're a pain in the butt. Any cars are coming.
What is going on?
It didn't do it.
Okay.
Total fail.
Your destination will be on the left.
Yeah.
Total failure on that one.
Okay, we need to do a couple of left turns here, or change lanes, I want to say. So one more, we need to do one more. Come on, you can do it, you can do it. Yes, you're doing it, you're doing it. Oh no, you're not. Okay, took over here again. It wasn't going to do it, it was going straight. We were going to miss our lane.
So it needs to stop here. It says no turn on red. Oh, it's trying to make a wide left here. No, 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 no. Okay, that's a disengagement. It has done that previously.
And stuff for them. There's nobody behind us, so you know, plenty of room for pedestrians to cross after us. Okay, so we're gonna make a right turn here. It says no turn on red, 7 a.m., 7 p.m. You should not be going. Why are you going? Yeah, you shouldn't be going. Okay, now you can go. You're gonna re-engage.
So yeah, this turn is almost a U-turn in the road, and I don't know how it can see anything.
Well, technically,
turn here.
the camera,
Can you see? And it should not go into this
it's
road.
got to go straight. Look at the map right there.
Wow.
That's what it.
Yeah, so
Yeah. So I don't know what it's thinking, but that's the logic the car's wanting to do right now. And so. Yeah, like that. So oh wow, what the heck was it doing there? It completely overturned. Let's go ahead and snapshot that one. Okay, so right here, you can see in the 360 camera scrapes in the road. I've actually bottomed it out the first time I came back up this road. You have to go on the opposite side of the road here.
Labeled automatically. So here's an example of some automatic labels we were able to derive for cars on the highway. And the way you do this is, because you're offline and you are trying to just annotate a clip, you have a large number of benefits that you don't typically have if you're at test time under strict latency requirements in the car. So you can take your time to fully figure out exactly all the objects and where they are. You can use neural networks that are extremely heavy. They are not deployable for various reasons. You can use benefit of hindsight.